Now we will move on to the next function, that is outcode, compute outcode. Okay, outcode or compute outcode is one more name of this is ABRL code or region code or area code. This one I have explained in the first video itself. What is outcode, how to calculate the outcode, how actually you should write the outcode, everything I explained in the first video. You can see the link there. Now we will see what is this compute outcode code one by one, line by line. First one, initially outcode code will be 0. Why outcode code will be 0? Because initially whatever inside the window, okay, whatever inside the window, everything will be 0. Everything, okay, whatever the code inside the window will be 0. Okay, that means the line is inside the window. Initially we will take it as 0. Okay, now first condition is y is greater than y max. See, in the previous diagram I showed what is y max. Y max is a maximum of y. If it is above that, then you should clip that. Then you should clip. You can see if y is greater than y max, above, clip the window. Okay, then you should use that code. Initially code will be 0, code or that is top whatever the tops ABRL code is there now, you should or with that and do it. Okay, we will see at the end with the diagram what is that actually. Okay, else if y is less than y min, y is less than y min means it is below y min. Below y min means it is below the window, below the window, then below, clip below the window, below the window. Okay, next is code or bottom. You can see if it is less means bottom, if it is greater means you will be or with the top, or with this is a or symbol, this is or. Okay, logical or symbol. If it is x is greater than x max, x is greater than x max means you should clip right side, you should clip the right side. That is here you can see code or right, that is you should or with the right one. Okay, and finally you should do with the x is less than x min means you should do clip with the left side, you should clip with the left side. We will see with the diagram how it actually works. We will see with the diagram. I will draw a drawing here. Okay, let's consider this is a window, let's consider this is a window. Okay, now I will draw a line. Okay, now I will draw a line. Let's consider I will draw a line over here. Okay, this is a line. See, you can see this line is above what, y max, y max, this is y max, y maximum here. Okay, this is y maximum. I'll just uh, you can, this is y max, it is above y max. That means you should clip top part, you should clip this is this one example is for this one. If y is, y means this one, this line is greater than y max, y max means this line is greater than this means, then you should clip this one, you should clip this. Okay, you should clip this. Okay, you should clip this. Okay, one more diagram I will draw. Let's consider uh, the line is over here. See, in this this line is below y minimum, this is y minimum, this was y max, this was y max, this was y max, this one, this is y minimum, it is below y minimum, this one is below y min. Second condition, y is less than y minimum, then you should or with the bottom code. Bottom code is what you see in the first video. What is the code of this? You should or with that and clip this, you should clip this. I will clip that, I will clip that. Okay, you should clip this because this is outside the window, clip that. Now now one more drawing I will draw. Okay, one more drawing I will draw. Okay, I will draw over here, I will draw over here. See here, this line is this is y x maximum, this is x maximum, x, see this is x minimum, this one. Wait a minute, this is x minimum, this is x minimum, this is x maximum. Okay, if it is greater than x maximum, that means you should clip this, you should clip this, you should clip means you should remove it. Okay, I will remove that. Okay, I will remove that like that. Finally last one is this one, this line. if this is the condition, okay, if it is less than x minimum, this one is less than last one, if x is less than, you should clip the this one. I'll clip that. So I hope you understood all the four condition. If let's consider one more line. Let's the condition line is inside. See this one, this condition will never be true for all the four. It will never be true for all the four. The code will be zero itself. Zero means inside. Zero means the line is inside the window. This is the logic of this program, which I explained in the first video, and again I am telling it with the diagram. Okay, these are the four conditions. Finally after all this operation, you should return the code. This one you should do it for all the four sides, because the line can appear in any of the sides. So all sides you should do it. Top, above, top, that is right also, bottom also, even left also. So you should do operations for all the operations. You should do for all the operations.